You remember that feeling when ChatGPT first launched, right? That feeling like something huge was happening? Well, guess what? That buzz is back. There's a new open source tool making waves, and it's promising to totally change how we use our computers. Today, we're going to dive into Claudebot, the AI that doesn't just talk to you, it actually does things for you.
So what's all the excitement about? I mean, why are AI developers calling this the next giant leap? Well, it's because this thing marks a huge shift in how we interact with our tech. To kind of put it in perspective, one developer said something that really stuck with me. And you know what? He's not alone. This isn't just one person's opinion. All over the developer forums, on social media, the very same people who first saw what a game-changer ChatGPT was, they're saying this feels just as big, maybe even bigger. The feeling is that this isn't just another app. No, this is a whole new kind of software.
Okay, so here's the real difference boiled down. You can think of ChatGPT as like a brilliant expert you can talk to. It gives you information, ideas, even code. But Claudebot, it's an agent. It actually takes action. It works inside your computer. It's the difference between asking for a recipe and, well, having a chef literally walk into your kitchen and start cooking the meal for you.
And that's really what lifts Claudebot way beyond just being a chatbot. It's a true AI agent. So what does that actually mean? What can it do?
Well, simply put, an AI agent has, well, agency. It can open your apps, click buttons for you, type text, organize your files, all based on what you tell it to do. It's not stuck inside a chat window. Nope. Your entire computer desktop is its playground. You know, probably the best way to think about this is it's like you've just hired an employee who knows literally everything, an assistant with the brain of the entire internet, who also magically knows how to use every single program on your computer, and they're on call for you 24/7. That's the kind of power we're talking about here.
And there are two really game-changing features that make this all possible. First up, persistent memory. This thing remembers everything you tell it, even after you shut down your computer. So you don't have to explain the context of a project over and over again. And second, it's proactive. You can give it a task, say, write me a script, and tell it you need it by Friday. It'll just work on it in the background and then ping you on WhatsApp when it's ready. How cool is that?
Now I know what you might be thinking. This sounds incredibly complicated to set up. But honestly, the team behind Claudebot has made it surprisingly easy. Let's just quickly walk through it. It's basically just 5 steps. You go to their website, copy one single line of text. Then you open up Terminal on a Mac or the Run command on Windows, and you just paste it in. It'll then ask you a few simple questions, to grant it access, to pick which AI model you want to power it, like from OpenAI or Claude. Then you connect it to something like WhatsApp or Telegram so you can chat with it from anywhere. And the last step, the fun part, is you customize it. Give your bot a name, a personality, and you just start telling it about yourself to get the ball rolling.
All right, so once you're all set up, this is where the real magic happens. We're moving from just talking about it to actually doing it. And what you can do is, well, it's pretty mind-blowing. The core idea is this. You can control your entire computer from your phone. Yeah, this is where it all clicks. Because you've linked the AI to your phone, your computer isn't just a box on your desk anymore. You could be on the other side of the world, send a quick text, and your computer back home just wakes up and gets to work.
So you could be out and about and just text it, hey, can you check my email and see if my boss replied about that report? And boom, it'll open your email and tell you.
Or maybe you have an idea on the go. You could just tell it, write a quick video script about ancient Egypt and save it in a Word doc on my desktop. And when you get home, it's there.
And you can get way more complex than that. Seriously. You can tell it to build you a fully functional website or even a piece of software. It'll just start coding and save all the files for you.
It can even handle creative apps. People have already gotten it to open up CapCut, pull in some video footage, and start putting together an edit, all from a simple text command.
Honestly, the possibilities here they're pretty much endless. We're talking about managing your company's custom software, creating images and then posting them to your Instagram, controlling your smart home devices. You can even have it monitor your Tesla or just schedule your entire life. We are just barely scratching the surface here.
Okay, but of course, with this much power, we have to talk about caution. We have to talk about security. And then after that, we'll look at what's coming next, because it's pretty wild. But first, a really critical warning, and please listen to this part. You are given an AI full and complete access to your computer. That means all your files, all your passwords, everything you're logged into.
Because of that risk, the recommendation is very, very strong. Run this on a separate, dedicated computer, not the main one where you keep all your personal sensitive stuff.
So, looking to the future, the developers are already working on the next big thing. It's a feature they're calling pairing, and what it does is it lets you connect multiple phone numbers, multiple people, to one single Claudebot agent. So this completely changes the game. It goes from being your personal assistant to being a shared central brain for a whole team. I mean, just imagine this. Your entire team has access to one super powerful computer. You've got one person telling it to edit video, someone else is having it check emails, all at the same time, all through one AI. It's kind of like a hive mind for productivity.
And really, that's the big question this whole thing leaves you with, isn't it? What if your computer wasn't just a tool anymore? What if it became a true partner? For so long, our computers have just been passive things. We click, we type, we tell them what to do. But with AI agents like Claudebot, we're stepping into a future where that machine might just become an active, intelligent partner in literally everything we do.